If you don't want to pay $20 per month for ChatGPT paid plan, then this video is for you. After availability of ChatGPT 4o, now some of the additional features are available using the free tier also. In this video, I will show you alternatives using which you can avoid paying $20 to OpenAI every month. When you will use ChatGPT free tier, there will be some limitations. However, you can still work on that using some of the alternative approach. In this video, let's discuss about two aspects of ChatGPT alternatives. One is feature related limitations, where ChatGPT is already capable of doing something. However, those features are not available in the free plan. Another aspect is capability related limitations, where ChatGPT is performing some of the actions. However, those are not up to the mark, or there are better tools available in market which is better than ChatGPT on those areas. In this video, I will show you 10 such alternatives using which you will be able to still use free tier and get most of your work done. Now, first point is image generation. Using ChatGPT free tier, you cannot generate any image. If you follow my mouse, here I'm using ChatGPT free plan, and there I prompted to generate one image. I gave one detailed prompt using which I normally generate my images using the paid plan. However, here it never generated the image for me. What it did, it gave me steps or other application related references using which I can still generate these images. And later I also prompted, can you generate the image directly for me? It mentioned it doesn't have the capability to generate the image directly. So ChatGPT free tier cannot generate image till date. So there are few alternatives available with some limited capacity. Every free tool will give you some limited capacity to work on it. Be it image generation or data analysis or anything else, it will give you some limited capacity. Now this is one area you need to assess. If you are using ChatGPT for one specific purpose and you use daily basis for that particular requirement only, maybe image generation, you generate 100 images, then you may need to go for the paid plan. However, if you are only creating maybe 2 images, or maybe couple of times you go for data analysis, couple of times you go for some essay writing, those cases you can still use the free plan. Now coming back to Microsoft Copilot, here you will be getting some daily boost quota, and that normally Microsoft changes quite often. However, using that, at least you will be able to generate 5 to 10 images every day. Another good alternative is Leonardo.ai. Using this tool also, you will be able to generate stunning images with some limited capacity. In this video, what are the tool name I will mention, I will add all those links in the description below. Some of the link can be affiliate link. So in case you are taking any paid plan, I may get some commission without any additional cost to you. Now for the image generation, alternatives are Microsoft Copilot. That's the primary one. Second, you can check Leonardo.ai. Third one is now available for free, that is Meta AI. Within your WhatsApp application, now you have access to AI, and there also you will be able to generate images. I'm in process to record one detailed video on Meta AI, which you can use within WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook. So you can consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch that content also. Now image generation is one part. Now coming to the second point, where maybe you want to generate some files. Maybe it can be a PowerPoint presentation. Using free version of ChatGPT, you will be able to generate PowerPoint presentations with some capacity limitations. However, there are alternatives way to generate PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT. I have multiple videos on how can you generate PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT. Please check those links in the description below. You will get a comprehensive guide there. Now, while we are talking about PowerPoint presentations, this is true for other format of file also. Like if you want to generate a PDF file directly from ChatGPT, that is very much possible using the free plan. However, that comes with some capacity limitation. After that, they will block you and they will ask you need to try in the next day. Again, I have another video in my channel where I shown how can you generate PDF files directly from ChatGPT, that too using the free tier. Now we talked about image generation, we talked about PowerPoint presentation generation. Now let's talk about data analysis. Let's hear what OpenAI mentioned when they released ChatGPT 4o.
Advanced data analysis, where you can upload charts or any information and it will analyze this information, it will give you answers and so on. The special thing about GPT-4o is that it brings GPT-4 level intelligence to everyone. including our free users.
Now, after ChatGPT 4.0 came in market, they added some additional capabilities using which it can analyze data. But again, that comes with some capacity limitation whenever you are using the free plan. Now, let's talk about the alternatives we have using which we can still analyze our data. Now, first one is Julius AI, and this is a comprehensive data analysis tool and dedicated AI tool only for the data analysis purpose, and using which you can generate stunning graphs and charts. While they have paid plans, they also give 15 messages per month using which you can still analyze your data. So if you are not analyzing your Excel based data on regular basis, maybe you can check these free alternatives for some time, and if you have any frequent requirement, then only you can go for the paid plan of any other tool. Now, Julius AI is the first option, and this is the comprehensive one. Another option is Chat2CSV. That is another tool. This is for free, and this tool only can analyze CSV files, and as of date of this recording, this is still free. So you can use this particular tool for free for any of the data analysis where your raw data is available in the CSV format. You can also use Microsoft Copilot free tier for certain level of data analysis with some limited capacity. So these three can be utilized as an alternative for your data analysis related requirements. Now I will show you one option using which you don't need to pay $20 per month. You will only spend in a pay-as-you-go model, and you'll still be using all premium capacity and capabilities of ChatGPT. Now, before I will show you that option, just one announcement. I am in process to record one comprehensive detailed online course covering ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini. I have added one link in the description below. If you fill out that particular form, you will be getting 70% discount coupon once my course will be live. Now, coming back, you can see I opened one link, that is OpenAI Playground. So OpenAI built this playground keeping developers' requirement in mind. Here you don't need to take any paid subscription. Let me log in and show you what I'm talking about. Now I logged in inside OpenAI Playground. Here you can see all those models are already available, from 3.5 to 4, 4 Turbo, 4.0, 4.0 Mini, everything. And good part of this particular option is in case of any upcoming model from OpenAI which is still not available in market for all consumers, you will be getting an early access here. Now, best part is here you will be able to utilize majority of the capabilities of ChatGPT, and for that you don't need to pay $20 regularly. You can top up your account with some $5-6, and after that you will be only charged whenever you will be using it. So in case you are a ChatGPT user where you use some of the premium capabilities but you don't use regularly, then this will be one of the best option for you. If you see, if I go to settings and I go to billing, there you'll be able to see I have a balance of $5.87. So earlier I added some $6, and then utilizing the API key, I was trying certain options. Using that, some limited cost has been charged. So this is one fabulous option in case you still want to utilize full capabilities of ChatGPT, but you don't need to pay $20 per month. I'm in process to record another detailed video covering ChatGPT Playground, so please consider subscribing to this channel if you want to watch that content too. Now, we talked about image generation, PowerPoint file generation, data analysis, and now how can you use the premium versions using a lesser cost. Let me give you another alternative. As I mentioned, Meta AI now is available, and that's completely for free. While it still have certain limitation on custom GPT and other things, but if you are a regular user and you only use prompt to get your output using ChatGPT, then you can start using Meta AI. It is having all required functionalities, whatever you need as a regular user. Now the sixth alternative, if you have any requirement to work with certain data which are not allowed within ChatGPT because they already installed some of the guardrails, you can utilize some of the open source model also to work on that. You can use OpenRouter, which can help you to work on this area. Now let us talk about some of the capability requirement limitations. Now majority of us normally use ChatGPT to generate some of the text-based content, right? However, when ChatGPT generates those contents, those are not always in human tone. In this area, there are some good alternatives. You can use Claude, which is another prominent LLM model, and this is from a company named Anthropic, which is funded by Amazon. This particular tool generates human-like text. I will add the link in description below. You can check this particular tool if you want to generate human-like text. You can even train Claude so that it will write like you. Another option is Google Gemini. Using this particular model, you will also be able to generate human-like text. So these are the two alternatives you can check whenever you are trying to generate certain text and you want those texts to be in human-like tone. And all these tools, whatever I'm mentioning, those are available for free, and using the free tier only, you will be able to get desired results. Now let's talk about the next scenario that is related to some research. If you are looking for certain details where you are researching on something, then instead of ChatGPT, Perplexity AI can be another very good alternative. This particular tool can give a good fight to Google as a search engine, and they call it as an answer engine. You can check this particular tool and you will understand what I'm talking about. So that is another alternatives in case you are into the research and you are looking for certain details which are specific to certain areas. Now another alternative for ChatGPT, if you are into maybe blog writing or article writing, you can check SEOwriting.ai. This is another incredible tool. If you are writing your blog post or you are writing some articles, this particular tool can help you with a comprehensive article with all citations and references. Now I talked about majority of the use cases of ChatGPT and I gave you certain alternatives. If I missed any of the area, please mention in the comments below and I'll record another comprehensive video covering all those topics which are missed out from this video. Now let me talk about another very good tool. That is a Chrome extension, and that is Marlin. That can be also another alternative for your ChatGPT usage. When you will install Marlin as a Chrome extension, it will work along with you whenever you will be browsing anything in the internet. In your site pane, you will be getting certain options and you will be able to generate certain contents as per your requirement. I will again add another link of Marlin, using which you can also download and you can start using. Now we talked about these alternatives. Now let me give you two more options. There also you'll be able to access ChatGPT capabilities without paying anything. First one is Poe. This is another website. Using Poe, you will be able to use almost all LLM models for free with some limited capacity. They also have a paid plan, but using the free tier, you'll still be able to utilize some of the capacity of ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, everything. All those prominent models are available there under single window. Anakin AI is another option where they give 30 credits per day, which you can also use for your requirement. So hopefully these 10 alternatives will help you to save $20 per month. Let me know in the comments below if you have any feedback. I'll be happy to record another video with all those missing tools or anything I missed out in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it added some value for you. If you want to know how can you create PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT, then check out this video to know more about it.